Turning off the power before cleaning an air conditioning unit is essential to prevent electric shock and protect both you and the equipment. Always start by locating the breaker box closest to the unit and remove the breaker for the air conditioner so there is no chance of electricity flowing while you work. Confirm the power is off by trying to turn the thermostat on and listening for any compressor or fan activity, and by ensuring the condenser fan will not spin if nudged gently with a non-conductive tool. Keep the breaker box hatch closed while you clean to prevent water from entering electrical components, and if the hatch is not nearby, turn the main breaker off and mark it so others will not restore power accidentally. Wear insulated gloves and safety glasses, and avoid using metal tools near wiring or the compressor to reduce the risk of short circuits. When rinsing coils or the cabinet, use low-pressure water only and direct spray away from electrical contacts and wiring. High-pressure water can force moisture into sealed electrical areas and damage insulation. After cleaning, allow the unit to dry for at least 30 minutes or until all visible moisture has evaporated before restoring power, and then replace the breaker and test the system for normal operation. Common mistakes include failing to verify that the breaker is actually off, which can result in severe shock. Always test the system by trying to activate the thermostat and by observing that the condenser fan does not move. Another issue is leaving the breaker box hatch open or exposed during cleaning, which can allow water to contact live components. Close the hatch or use a temporary waterproof barrier and keep water directed away. A third problem is using high-pressure water or metal tools, which can damage coils and electrical insulation. Use low-pressure rinsing, plastic or wooden tools, and keep a safe distance from wiring. Our site, bighomeprojects.com, connects homeowners with local contractors and offers a discussion community where members share real experiences and practical tips on projects like air conditioning maintenance. We help contractors find work by listing opportunities and enabling direct conversations with potential clients through our platform.